Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Blood by the Middle East. We'll start by looking at the core chord progression for the verse, which sets the song's mood. Then, we'll practice a simple strumming pattern to get that signature gentle sound. It's all about capturing the melancholic feel of the original. Let's dive into the verse and chorus. The main chords you'll need are C, G, a minor, and F. These four chords form the backbone of the entire song. Pay attention to how the song transitions between the verse and chorus, keeping a consistent, unhurried tempo to truly capture its essence. To make your rendition truly shine, consider adding dynamics. Varying your strumming intensity can add significant emotional depth. For a more intricate sound, you might try a basic fingerpicking pattern during the verses. Always listen to the original recording to catch those subtle nuances and make your playing more authentic. Consistent practice is key to mastering Blood. Dedicate a few minutes each day to reinforce the chords and rhythm. Using a metronome can greatly improve your timing and consistency. Most importantly, enjoy the journey of learning this beautiful and evocative song. It's a rewarding experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.